Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Oh, it has been so hectic around here, which is why I haven't been posting videos. One thing, I don't have my mic on. That is another story in itself because I got a new phone and then the adapter doesn't work with it. Besides the point of that, I do have a lot of stuff to do today. This is just going to be like a regular work with me vlog. Holiday orders have already started. I need to create files for some minky blankets that I'm going to do, although I don't know if I'm going to get through those yet. I'm going to create the files for those. And then have you ever submitted an order and you're waiting for that order and you go to check the status on the order and then you find out that you never submitted the order? How many times have I done that? I've probably done that about 3 times within a year, but that's 3 times way too many. So another thing that I'm going to be working on today is these hats. This one is beautiful. It's for Kingsville brand, earned not given. And I'm waiting for more of these hats to come in. So hopefully they show up today. Oh, I have a whole bunch of bags. I have 20 of these bags that I need to get embroidered. So I need to make the files for those. I need to prep my stabilizers. I have some orders that I need to ship out. So let me just go ahead and get started and I'll just talk to you and explain some things along the way. I have a pretty large order that I'm going to be working on where I'm embroidering the logos. It's like the typical 4-inch logo in the corner of the shirt. So I buy this Floriani Power Mesh stabilizer in bulk just to save money because, yeah, it is kind of expensive. And I'm cutting it into 5-inch squares so that I can attach it to the inside of the shirts, and then I hoop it with my tearaway stabilizer. These are the shirts. This is a local business here in my city. It's a pet shop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12 of them. So I'm just turning them inside out. And you can see it's like a really thin fabric. But it's okay because I have experience now and I'm no longer worried. I'm like really confident on getting some good results. Okay, so I just got the hats in. They came in the mail. And so I got to move on from prepping these to getting this out. These hats are my top priority. So things are going to be getting loud. Let me show you guys these hats that I've been waiting on. Okay, I got these from All Day Shirts because the shipping comes really fast, and I've been waiting for the royal blue and the forest green. It's so cute. Let me show you. Here is the forest green. I need to finish these hats. I think I have about like 10 hats left that I need to get out today. So I'm going to be probably running both machines. I also got to do a test stitch for a new client. It's for a trucking company. I'm just going to be busy doing that. This is my happy machine. We're still getting to know each other. I've had it for a couple months. I haven't given it a name yet. You know, every time that you get a new machine, there is a learning curve. I've been pretty happy with it. There have been some tiny frustrations, but it does do really good results on hats. And I'm going to show you lots of pictures, of course. Next up is a test stitch that I'm working on, and I'm kind of nervous because the client keeps changing his mind on the design, but I think that we kind of came up with a design that he really likes. So I'm going to stitch it out and then I'll have to show it to him. So this is the design, and so I just want to show you because I'm curious to see how it will turn out with the black and the like the smoky charcoal, and then that's like a silver color right there. And while that one is stitching out, I have another order that I'm very excited about. This is for Tailored Aesthetics. She is an esthetician, and I think these turned out amazing. I did a corner logo for her on a black sweatshirt and a sand color one and 2 hats. So I will show you pictures of those towards the end of the video as well. Okay, that logo finished stitching, so I'm going to show you that. I'm happy with it. It looks kind of 3D to me. I think that the client will like it as well. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and keep watching. Thank you. I'm also working on these. I love the simplicity of this. It's Tailored Aesthetics, and this is like really popular to get the tone on tone with the threads. So I got to get these shipped out. She ordered 2 sweatshirts. Here's the black one, and 2 hats. So I got to get these shipped out today as well. And once I get pictures, I always take pictures of my stuff after I'm finished with them. And so I will share some pictures with you on these later on in the video. But here is a close-up of that. Oh, I need to cut the tiny little threads in it. Let me show you the hats. I think she's going to be really happy with these. This hat right here, I get it on S&S Activewear, but it is out of stock. So I have maybe 20 left, and once they're gone, they're gone. And I'm so sad because it really is a bestseller in my shop, but I have no control over it. And then here's the black one. So those are so nice. That's like an essential part of your wardrobe. I love that. Okay, let me show you this logo. What do you think? It's a manly logo, but it's got the deep, the black in it that he wanted, and it's got kind of like a 3D variant shape to it. So I don't know. We'll see if he likes it. Okay, now I'm going to go into overtime, or like turbo time, because I'm going to hook up the hat frame on this one, and I'm going to have both machines going because I have to get these hats done. I'm just going to focus on that. On my Brother machine, I've gotten really used to changing the frames. You know, you need one frame when you're doing apparels, and then you need the hat frame when you're making hats. I use the Brother flat brim hoop frame. I've talked about it many times on my channel because I think that one is very user-friendly, and I do have an affiliate link right here. You can also purchase it from the link in the description tab if you want to buy that one, because if you haven't entered the market of hat making, you're really missing out on some good, easy profits. Okay, so you're probably thinking Delilah doesn't get any thread breakages or whatever you want to call them. Yes, I do. And I'm experiencing that right now. This one, I think that I just need a new needle. This one over here, I think this one just needs oil. So I'm going to attend to that. Usually they don't give me any grief, but when they do, I got to acknowledge it because I want you guys to also know that machine embroidery is hard. And yes, I get problems too. I'm trying to get this lint roller situated. I'm just cleaning off the hat really good, and then I am going to rethread it. You can see right here I need to go over that a little bit, and there's my laser that shows me where it's at. hopefully I can save this hat. I don't know. Okay, and that's how it looks. I don't know if I'm gonna use that one. You guys, these have to be perfect. So I might just ditch this one. Okay, and then we're gonna check out this hat right here. This one looks really good. I love the green on the blue. And I'm going to get a lot more pictures of these hats. You'll probably see them at the end of the video. Let me go ahead and load this one on. Make sure the laser is right there in the middle. And then I have my clamps. Turn it to the side. And we're clamping these on the side of the hat, just like that. Right back in the middle, and select the thread color. What I hate about this one, it never saves your thread color. So it's on the 5th one. I always have to go back in there and reselect it. And it's hard. Because my fingers hurt. On this Happy machine, I've noticed that I just have to keep it oiled. The bobbin case, oil it every day, which is what I do with my brother. But then the knobby things up at the top, each one of those have to be oiled. And if I do that, I get really pretty stitches out of this machine. And there are a lot of things that are easier to navigate on it. It just doesn't have as many bells and whistles like my brother machine does. Okay, Simon wants to say hi. Come here. This is my cute little dog that I was telling you about. That I'm like, when I'm talking about trust issues, I don't fully trust him yet. Things are going really good. So what I gotta do now, done with the hats. Now we're going to take pictures of the hats and ship these. Oh, let me show you this. Look at how cute this is. I'm already getting Christmas orders. This one says rocking around the Christmas tree. I will put a link on this one as well. And then I gotta show you this cute hat that I made. It says creative. If you don't do machine embroidery, or maybe you can't do hats, you can order one from my shop. I love it. I think it is so cute. I love that it says creative. If you are creative as well, then you got to get this hat. Sorry, I don't have any like catchy phrases or lingo to sell this hat. I think it just sells itself. I spend a lot of time taking pictures. I believe that's what gets me a lot of sales and returning customers, because if I don't have pictures to show them, how are they going to really know how my quality of work is? So I do spend a lot of time taking pictures. Just checking in, and ooh, we got kind of a mess going on back here. But I have been so busy, so productive today. I can't think of a funner word or a better word. It's been a good day. Got lots of hats done. Pulling this one off of the machine. Now I'm going to focus on shipping. But did you see how amazing those hats and sweatshirts were for tailored aesthetics? She's going to love it. But now we got to get it shipped out. I got to ship out my Etsy orders. And then I think I'm going to call it a day. No. I can't call it a day yet until I show you guys the 15-second club hats.
Right now, I'm just signing my Etsy orders. I like to do just a little note to make it more personable, I guess. So, hi Kylie, thank you for your order. Please keep this because my signature will be worth something someday when I become famous. I actually have a famous story. So the other day I was in Hobby Lobby, just, like shopping around, browsing, and all of a sudden someone says, "Are you simply Delilah?" Well, yes, I am.
Okay, now I've got all these ready to ship. A lot of times I have a helper that comes over and she will package them for me because I'm awkward at it. She will be here tomorrow because I do have more orders that I need to ship out tomorrow. And I'm going to show you I finished all the rodeo hats. Okay guys, I will share the rest of the photos with you, but right now I am so tired. It's been a long day, and really that is everything that I got done today, but I will see you back next week. I'm going to start posting videos every Wednesday. I hope to see you back next week. Until then, check out my other machine embroidery videos. I also have sewing videos as well. So I hope to see you again. Bye guys.